Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared this guacamole and salsa in a jiffy. You need to prep all your ingredients ahead of time and reserve it. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed blog post is posted. All my blog links, other social media handle links and my Tamil channel links will be listed in the description box below this video. Here you can see we have already chopped all the veggies as fine as possible and reserved, and we need a ripe avocado. I'm going to start preparing the salsa first. To prepare the salsa, in a mixing bowl I've added onion, finely chopped tomato, finely chopped bell peppers, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped chilies. We will grate and add some garlic. That is totally up to you. If you enjoy the garlic flavor, you can grate and add the garlic, or you can mash it and add it. Now we will be adding tiny amount of lime juice. We'll combine all the ingredients and we'll place this in the refrigerator. At the moment, if you see, I have not added any salt. We just have to add the salt, chili powder and cumin powder before serving. It enhances the flavor and taste. Place it in the refrigerator for it to cool down completely. Now here in a different mixing bowl, I'll prepare the guacamole. If you have a very ripe avocado, prepare it right away. I did have a very ripe avocado because normally I never tend to know when the avocado is ripe or when I should prepare this guacamole, when it is right for the guacamole. I just purchase it when it's slightly tender. So here you can see it was overripe, but it was very tasty. I've scooped and added the avocado to a mixing bowl, and using a tablespoon I'm just mashing it up. It was very nice and tasty. Even if it is overripe, it is very nice. So just the back of a spoon, if you mash it up, it's nice and smooth. Now to this I'll be adding finely chopped onions, lemon juice, some finely chopped chilies, grated garlic. We can add bell peppers, finely chopped bell peppers. You can add finely chopped tomato if you like tomato. I did like tomato in this. And I've also added finely chopped coriander. Just combine all of this and place this in the refrigerator until use. Just before serving, you will have to add salt and serve it up. If you add salt right away, your onions will release a lot of moisture and your guacamole will be very watery. Just add salt before serving. So now my guacamole and salsa is ready. Before serving, I'm going to be adding chili powder, cumin powder and salt to the salsa and salt to the guacamole. Just combine all of this and serve it up. It was very nice and tasty. Try these recipes, friends, and post your comments. This is my way of preparing the guacamole and salsa. Hope you all enjoyed this video recipe. Try it and post your comments. All the links to my blog and other social media handles will be in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.